Welcome, young explorers. Today, we're stepping into the pronoun kingdom, where special words called pronouns make our sentences shorter and more fun. You'll join Anna, Ben, Charlie, and their robot friend Robo on a treasure hunt through a magical forest. Ready to start the adventure? Pronouns are like magic keys that unlock shortcuts in our stories. Instead of saying Anna has a map, Anna is excited, we say. She has a map. She is excited. It's faster and more fun. In Thai, it's the same. Anna mi panti becomes to mi panti. Meet our brave team. Anna is a curious girl who loves maps. Ben is clever and full of ideas. Charlie is funny and always makes everyone laugh. Robo is a smart robot who helps them find clues. Together, they're hunting for treasure and pronouns. Personal pronouns are the heroes of our story. They tell us who's doing something without repeating names. For example, Anna says, "I have a map." Ben says to Anna, "You are lucky." We also have he for boys, she for girls, it for things, we for us, and they for others. In Thai, personal pronouns change based on who's talking. If you're a girl, I is Chan. If you're a boy, it's Pham. You is Hun. And he or she is Kao. So Anna might say, "Chan mi pan ti," I have a map. Let's play a game. Replace the underlined names with pronouns. For example, Anna found a treasure. Anna was happy becomes she found a treasure. She was happy. Now try this. Ben and Charlie ran. Ben and Charlie laughed. What pronoun fits? It's they. Possessive pronouns are like treasure tags. They show who owns what. Anna says, "My map is special." Ben says, "Your idea is great." We also have his for boys, her for girls, it's for things, our for us, and their for others. It's like claiming your treasure. In Thai, we use Hong to show ownership. So my is Hong Chan, your is Hong Kun, and his or her is Hong Kao. For example, Panti Hong Chan means my map. It's like labeling your treasure chest. Time for a matching challenge. If Anna says this is Anna's bag, she would say this is my bag. For Robo's wheels, it's its wheels. And for Ben's book, it's his book. Can you match the others? Let's see how fast you can do it. Relative pronouns are like bridges that add extra details to our story. Who is for people, like the girl who found the map was Anna. Which is for things, like the forest, which was dark, had treasure. And that works for both. They make our sentences sparkle. In Thai, the magic word is thai. It's like who, which, or that. For example, means the map that Anna has. It's like a bridge connecting the map to Anna. So cool. Let's make our story bigger. Take Ben saw a tree and add more. Ben saw a tree that had golden leaves. Or Anna found a box which was shiny. Use your imagination to add fun details with relative pronouns. What will you create? Pronouns and their nouns must match, like a key fitting a lock. If the noun is one girl, like Anna, we use she. If it's many friends, we use they. It's important to get the match right, or the sentence won't make sense, just like a treasure map. In Thai, kao can mean he, she, or even they. You have to listen to the story to know who it is. For example, kao hin no could be he saw a bird, or she saw a bird. The story is your clue. Congratulations, pronoun heroes. You've learned about personal pronouns like I and she, possessive pronouns like my and their, and relative pronouns like who and that. Now, you're ready to use them in your own magical stories. Keep practicing and have fun.